Basically, a mountain dulcimer. That's a different instrument. Electric and acoustic are totally different beasts. I have a Tennessee music box I've been working on for a few years. Wow. Yeah, I wouldn't dream of doing anything. I would not. I am not the person who is going to. Uh, I would never dream of doing a wood burning on my acoustic guitar. The wood is too thin. If you make a mistake, there's not much to shave off. Mountain dulcimer. Is that different from a hammered dulcimer? Very much so. Okay. Shows how much I know about dulcimers. Oh, I'm sorry. Here's your shout out, kid. Kit Beardstone. Where are my manners? Here we go. Ears have it. He who has ears, let them hear. Romans, countrymen, lend me your ears. How many dad jokes can I come up with about ears? Ah, stop throwing your ears at me. Ah, ah, ah. The pirate had a sale on corn. He was selling them for a buck an ear. A buck an ear. A buccaneer. You get it? He's a pirate selling corn. Maybe if I over explain it, maybe it'll be funnier. The art behind the bad joke, the dad joke, is not in the telling of the bad joke. It is uh, the aftertaste of the bad joke later. Yeah, that's the groan of the bad joke afterwards. That's the funny part. It's like a practical joke. I made you groan. I'm sorry, what? What word is that? I'll try that one at the next pirate festival I go to. Alien House. Alien House? Did I miss something? All right, Kit is leaving us. He's leaving Twitch probably because of my horrible joke. $1 an ear. No, no. You see, if you're gonna tell a bad joke, do it. Don't do it worse than it's written. Don't make him $1 an ear. $1 per cob. No, it's a buccaneer. A what? A buccaneer. All right, I don't think I'm going to be able to finish this face today, but I'm going to do my best at finishing him as much as I can.